Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Mike of Seiko AEI Polymers Distribution. Mike, how are you doing today?
Doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. So in today's video, you're going to be telling me a little bit about compatibilizers, kind of what those are, the chemistry makeup of those, and how they're used. So I just want to turn it right over to you to talk about compatibilizers.
Okay, great. Well, at Seiko AEI Polymers Distribution, we have this category of compatibilizers that's available from one of our supplier partners, Fine Blend. This is a relatively new category. So what are compatibilizers? Well, they're additives that make incompatible polymers compatible. That's the simple way of putting it. They have reactive groups on either end of their polymer chain that reacts with different polymers differently. So think of them as a linking material in which each end knows what it likes to link to and react with. They are able to combine totally different polymer types to form new alloys and new blends. They're also especially important in recycling of contaminated materials, where you have materials that are considered a contaminant in the main component. You can actually react them to the chains. So looking at the chemistry of the compatibilizers, for those of you familiar with organic chemistry, this might look familiar. SAG is one of the grades of the compatibilizers we have, and that stands for styrene acrylonitrile glycidyl. It's a methacrylate terpolymer. On the left side of this chain, you see that it has excellent compatibility with ABS, ASA, MPPO. While on the right side of that chain, the GMA is highly reactive with various materials such as nylon, PBTs, PETs, other polyesters, polycarbonate, many other polymers. So this is a good example of a compatibilizer and how it works. On the next slide is more detailed chemistry. The terpolymer of styrene acrylonitrile glycidyl methacrylate reacts with low molecular weight PC in a polycarbonate compound or polycarbonate blend. So if you've got low molecular weight polymer, it will react along the chain of the SAG material to form a higher molecular weight entity. So you get better performance, you get performance more like the original polymer, and it eliminates the residual end groups that are in the blend and other active groups from the degradation process of PC. So it provides good protection for your formulation. So there are many grades of these compatibilizers that come from Fine Blend. They've based these on different chemistries that they're looking to compatibilize or react with. The SAG grades have different levels of GMH or GMA. The SOG materials and SBG and SAM materials react with different backbones differently. So we will have a series of more in-depth videos on these polymers and these compatibilizers and their polymers that they're used in future videos. So to summarize, the compatibilizers make up a new and exciting market for us and for Fine Blend. They allow the processors to build new polymer chains and to create brand new alloys. And they allow better use and more use of recycled materials. And as I said, the grades are available for multiple resin systems, and we'll have videos on that in the future. Or you can go to our website, and we have a search function there that you can search for the compatibilizer based on your system.
All right, Mike, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about compatibilizers. I think you did a really great job of really breaking that down from what they are all the way through some of the grades. And as you said, we are going to be doing a short series where we kind of break those down a little bit further. So you'll want to stay tuned for the next couple weeks and you'll be able to tune into those. And as Mike said, if you're interested in finding out more about the compatibilizers that Seiko AEI Polymers offers, you can get in contact with them by giving them a call. You can visit online, or you can send an email to sales@seikoaei.com. Thanks again, Mike.
Thank you.